In a strategic move to bolster its air defense capabilities, the French Army's procurement agency, the DGA, has announced the purchase of 30 Serval DSA 4x4 armored vehicles. This acquisition is designed to enhance the protection of French ground forces against a growing range of aerial threats, including drones, helicopters, and short-range missiles. As modern warfare continues to evolve, especially in the wake of the war in Ukraine, this decision reflects the increasing need for advanced air defense systems capable of safeguarding troops on the ground. The Serval DSA 4x4 armored vehicle is a specialized version of the Serval multi-role platform, developed by Nexter Systems and Texelis. This vehicle combines mobility, protection, and firepower, making it an ideal solution for air defense in high-risk combat zones. Equipped with the cutting-edge Atlas RC turret from MBDA France, the Serval DSA is armed with the MISTRAL missile system, an infrared-guided surface-to-air missile that offers short-range defense against airborne threats. The MISTRAL missile is known for its high accuracy and rapid response time. With an interception range of up to 8,000 meters and the ability to target multiple threats simultaneously, it provides French ground forces with a powerful tool for neutralizing aerial dangers. The missile is particularly effective against low-flying aircraft and drones, offering protection even in complex and crowded airspaces. The Serval DSA turret also features a 7.62 mm machine gun, adding an extra layer of defense against smaller, immediate threats. This combination of missiles and machine gun provides a multi-layered approach to defense, ensuring that the vehicle can engage both air and ground targets effectively. This new order highlights the growing importance of flexible and mobile air defense systems. Lessons learned from the war in Ukraine, where drones and missile strikes have become a significant threat, have emphasized the need for ground forces to have access to reliable and adaptable air defense solutions. The Serval DSA's 4x4 configuration allows it to quickly reposition in response to changing battlefield conditions, ensuring that French forces remain protected and operational. The French military's focus on air defense is part of a broader strategy to modernize and strengthen its forces in an increasingly uncertain security environment. As technology continues to advance, the threat landscape is evolving, and the Serval DSA vehicles are designed to provide ground forces with the tools they need to defend against a wide range of aerial threats. In conclusion, the procurement of the Serval DSA 4x4 armored vehicles is a critical step in enhancing the French Army's air defense capabilities. By integrating the MISTRAL missile system with a highly mobile and armored platform, France is ensuring that its forces are ready to face the challenges of modern warfare, offering them the flexibility and resilience needed to succeed in future conflicts.